Generating a video is step one, but what makes it actually work? The pacing, the message, the feel, happens in the editor. This is where your video stops looking generated and starts looking intentional. Let's walk through it. In the video editor, you'll see assets. This is your media library. Upload your own files or browse through 3 tabs. Assets for your uploaded content, B-roll for stock footage with thousands of images and videos to search through, and hook for attention-grabbing opening clips. You can also hit Generate Assets to create visuals with AI right here inside the editor. Click Script to edit your video's voiceover text scene by scene. Change the wording, reorder ideas, whatever your message needs. Hit Captions to add subtitles to your video. Great for accessibility and for anyone watching without sound, which honestly is most people. Under Avatars, swap out or change the presenter in your video. Pick from the library or drop in your own AI twin. Head to Music to add a background track. Browse by mood or vibe and layer it under your video to set the right tone. Use text to add on-screen copy and CTA to drop in a call to action. Perfect for driving clicks, signups, or purchases directly from your video. Switch up your background to match your brand and use elements to add extra visual details, icons, overlays, anything that makes your scene pop. Down at the bottom, your timeline shows every scene laid out. You can split a scene, clone it to reuse it, or add a scene to extend your video. Full control over the structure, right here. Once everything looks exactly how you want it, hit Render in the top right. And remember, accurate lip sync is applied after rendering, so what you see in the preview is layout only. The final rendered version is the real deal. That's your editor. Everything in one place, no timeline nightmares, no learning curve. Just jump in and start building.